Assalamu alaikum. This video is presented to you by Noor Al-Fajr, your guide to navigating Nusuk and illuminating your spiritual journey. If your Nusuk Hajj account has been verified, Mabruk, you're one step closer to your Hajj journey. The next step, topping up your e-wallet, is a crucial one. It is recommended to have your e-wallet funded for the full amount of the package you'd like to purchase prior to the opening of sales. You'll have two payment options available to you on Nusuk Hajj. Option 1 are a credit or debit card, and option 2 is a bank transfer. Due to the lengthy time associated with bank transfers, it is recommended to use the debit or credit card option. Please note that all transactions are charged in Saudi Riyal. Therefore, it's recommended to use a 0% foreign transaction fee card to avoid additional fees on your purchase. Only Visa or MasterCards, including debit cards, are accepted by the Nusuk platform. Please note that there is also an additional 2.3% VAT or VAT charged by the platform, which is non-refundable. After entering the amount you'd like to charge to your e-wallet, please select the Next button in the bottom right corner. You'll have to enter your billing address on this page before you can continue on to the next step. On the next screen, you'll be able to enter your card details. Clicking the green Pay Now button will submit your payment. If you have secondary verification connected to your card, you'll have to enter the OTP sent to your phone number before your transaction will be processed. Once your payment has successfully been processed, you'll get the following pop-up screen. If you receive an error message, please try again with a smaller amount or contact the fraud department of your financial institution to determine if there were any holds placed on your account. If you decide to top up your e-wallet using the bank transfer option, please notate Nusuk's bank account information by selecting the bank transfer option on the Top Up Your e-wallet page. You'll be able to transfer the payment by either visiting your financial institution's website or visiting their local branch. The final option presented on this page for cash collection centers is not currently available. If you're still having trouble topping up your e-wallet, please give our Pilgrim Support Specialist a call at our toll-free number, contact us on WhatsApp, or visit our website, nooralfajr.com. In addition, stay updated by joining our Hajj WhatsApp group. May Allah accept your intention for Hajj and make your journey easier.